let's make Finnish Mac in a box, Makaronilaatikko. So first we start with an onion. This casserole is called a box. I tried to find out why we call some casseroles boxes, but I didn't find the reason. My own theory is that these casseroles take the box shape because of the milk and egg mixture. So it's kind of not like a casserole or a pot because it stays in the shape of the dish. So let's put some macaroni to cook. Adding a little bit of salt, of course, first. I'll put here 2 cups of macaroni. And then we'll start with frying the onions. And when the onions are quite okay, you can take them out of the pan and fry them minced meat. So frying the minced meat in the normal way, nothing special there. Time to add the spices. Salt, put back the onions, then some allspice, oregano, paprika. All of them were like half a teaspoon of those. And then some pepper as well, black pepper. After 10 minutes or so, when the macaroni is cooked, I remove the water and oil the pan or the casserole I'm using. I just used some kitchen paper to oil it down. Easy hack there. So half of the macaroni to the casserole and then all the meat and onion mixture. Here I have used about 1 pound of minced meat. That's about half a kilo. So macaroni back on top, and then we'll make the special important ingredient. First we break the eggs. These little eggs didn't want to be broken. One of them broke down there and the next one didn't want to go. So 4 eggs. These were medium-sized eggs. If you have large ones you can use less. So let's just give them a quick whisk. And let's add 2 cups of milk, half a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of oregano and also some paprika. So sweet pepper, which I think it's called. Maybe some black pepper as well. So and then pour the mixture on top of the casserole. It's not mandatory, but it gives a nice crust on top if you put some cheese on top, and to the oven. Maybe I always put a little bit less, like 25 minutes, and then go check if it's ready. No, it's not ready yet. So maybe 10 minutes more. Let's check how it is now. Looking good. So it's brown and also quite firm. The structure is already firm. Looking nice and golden. Oh, perfect. It looks perfect. And then adding the traditional ketchup. Yes, that actually belongs to this dish. And it's ready to enjoy.